Everyone has difficulty in moving the cursor. So here is a tip. Swipe left on the spacebar and you can see the cursor going left, and once you swipe right, you will be seeing the cursor going right. Gboard comes with a lot of themes, and to change the default white color of the keyboard, go to settings from here by pressing on the comma key, and now just move towards the settings icon and release to open settings. You should be seeing a theme option, and once you tap on it, you will be seeing a lot of solid colors and some scenery images as well. The gradient colors are present at the bottom, and these are of two types. One of them is light and other is dark. The setting which I keep is system default, which will keep the color to white for light setting and black for a dark theme. Here you have the option of adding borders to the keyboard, and this is how it looks. You can also add any image to the keyboard, and to do this, go to the top of the theme section and you will be seeing a keyboard with a plus button on it. Tapping on it will take you to gallery, and now you have to select the image. In most of the cases you will have to do some cropping, and you also have the option of selecting the opacity. Once it is as per your liking, just tap on done. If you are still not subscribed to All About Apps, please do and like this video. There is a bonus tip, so make sure you are watching this video till the end. Third tip is using the clipboard. With this you can copy text and images. You can turn this on from here and you can see all the text that you have copied. Now you have to just tap on the text to paste it. There is also an edit button here, and you can pin any text which you use frequently, and you can also delete the unused ones. Many times it happens that you have to capitalize the word to highlight it. Like in this case, I want to capitalize the subscribe word, but the sentence is already written. This can be done by selecting the word and double tapping on the up arrow. The fifth tip is language translation. Now you don't have to switch between applications to translate language. Just tap on this icon, and on the right you have to choose the language to which you have to convert the text. Now just start typing in this box and you will be seeing the text in another language. There is also a floating keyboard feature, and when you select it, you can move this keyboard to any part of the screen using the 4 arrows at the bottom, and it will remain in this state for all the applications. Good thing here is that you can also resize this keyboard, and to bring back it to normal, drag it to the bottom of the screen. You can also handwrite whatever you want to type. Long press on the spacebar and select handwriting, and you won't be seeing the keyboard now. You can draw anything in this little area and the keyboard will start recognizing and start typing. They will also recognize symbols. For example, in this case it has recognized a semicolon. You can also search for any emoji and have a dedicated button for it. Just go to settings, preferences and enable this option. Once you do, you will be seeing the language switch key getting unselected. So you can either add the language change button or the emoji button. To add any language, go one level back and tap on the first option, which is languages, and now tap on add a keyboard and select the language. I'm not sure if you know this, but you can type anything using the glide feature to save time, and this is very accurate. So the 11th tip is to delete any continuous text by sliding left from the delete key, and you can see the text getting selected, and you can also unselect by moving right. Now just release the delete key to delete the selected text. Here is the bonus tip. These are the various features of Gboard, and if there is any feature which you use frequently, for example in my case it's changing the themes, you can bring it to top 4 easy access. This can be done just by dragging it. So guys, these were some of the useful features of Google Keyboard, and if in case I missed any, do let me know in comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day.